Hey, what in the world's happening with Vashon Real Estate? Well, let's looky. All right, this is the last 2 years, supply and demand, my favorite kind of graph. Green is the supply, number of new listings. Blue is demand, homes that came off the market. All right, what do we see? Well, Vashon's weird. Okay, if you watch the King County update, you know that there's a massive increase in inventory year over year. That's not the case here. Inventory in January was 11. Is this 11? Yeah, 11 2 years ago, 12 last year, and 13, 12 this year. So same. Little bit decrease in demand compared to last year, but not a ton. So what we don't see is this massive influx in. We see more inventory than December. That's really typical. What's predictable here is we're going to continue to see increases in inventory as we get through the spring. This was March of last year, huge jump over February. The previous February had a much bigger February, so the jump in March wasn't as big. May went down a little bit 2 years ago, kept steadily climbing in 2025. My guess is that we see something of a bumpy increase in inventory between now and the spring, really typical. Sellers have in their mind selling in the spring is better. Fine. Okay. No evidence for that, but go ahead, get your confirmation bias on. And making it easier to buy. So if you're looking to buy on Vashon, you will get more and more opportunities as we move toward the summer. Be more and more inventory. And you can see demand is inconsistent. Doesn't go up a ton. You get some more buyers in the spring, right? Because there's more inventory for them to choose from, and maybe they find the right house. But a house excuse me, houses need to be priced just right on Vashon. So if you're selling on Vashon, look, we just sold a house in 3 days over asking because we priced it right. We marketed it right too. I mean, the stage is beautiful, but you got to price it right on Vashon. You got to get it right. You cannot expect to price it high and step down. It's going to take you far too long. There's too much competition, too many other houses, especially at this time of year when there's going to be predictably more and more houses coming on. You want to play that game in October when you know there's less and less inventory coming? Fine. Don't do that now. Price it right to begin with. Price it to sell. Don't get greedy. You can do it. If you need help, that's what I'm here for. And if you're buying, no, you've got more and more to choose from between now and say June. There'll be the peak in inventory sometime around May or June. That's predictable. So keep your eye on what's available. Get ready to move when you see it. If it's priced right, it could go really quickly. And every situation is unique. So you really want to examine that with a seasoned agent. Hello, seasoned agent right here. Let me know what questions you've got. Here to help you with that. Aaron Head with Christine and Company over at EXP. Party on, Wayne.